Hello friends, good day to you. I fascinate you how to set up your SunPower account and start earning. Start making money online with SunPower. In my previous video about SunPower, I told you how this platform pays. It is a company that invests into the solar energy system, whereby they provide an alternative to the hydroelectricity power supply. And when there is a problem and there is a solution, then making money through the solution, it is inevitable. So you too, you can join SunPower now and start making money online. So in this video, I will show you step by step on how to set up your account, how to deposit, and how to start earning. All right, but before I go further, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasogenic Bistock. So Lasogenic Bistock is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment platform. So I make review on an online investment platform and I give you my recommendation. So if you are at the edge of joining any online investment platform, feel free to send me the link so that I can check it on your behalf and send you my recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for your own financial decision. All right. If you are new on Lasogenic Big Stock, or you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that now. Subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and share with your friends and family so that you won't miss out on the subsequent information that will be dropped down here. Okay. And if after you have watched this video you found it to be very meaningful, useful, then please don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves. And also, I would like you to know that this channel is mainly for financial education and not for financial advice. For that reason, you are also expected to do your own due diligence and research, do your own personal findings before you venture into it. Though I'm not scaring you, but these are ways whereby I personally have been making money online. So, and I believe that you need to be responsible for your action because I'm also responsible for mine. All right, so quickly, once again, what we are considering today is how to set up your SunPower account and start making money online with SunPower. So for that reason, I will take you down to the SunPower app right now. The first thing that you need to do is that you need the registration link. So I get you covered for that. Just check below this video, the description box. You are going to find the registration link there. Make sure you registered, and after you have registered, you will be directed to the Google Play Store or App Store depending on the device you are using, and you download the app. So after you have successfully downloaded the app, then the next thing for you is to open the app and continue with the process that I'm about to show you now. All right, so this is the Sun Power app here. I've downloaded it. So this is Sun Power app here. I've downloaded it. So after you have done that, then you will need to come down to this place. You will come down to this place to see the packages that best suit your own financial strength. So you just click on purchase all here. You click on purchase all. When you click on purchase all, you are going to see a series of packages here. Series of solar energy investment that you can put your money here. It starts with Cheetah HC68M. Here it only costs 8,000 naira and you are earning 11 naira 50 kobo in 1 hour. So another one here is Tiger Monofacia. It costs 90,000 naira and you are earning 170 naira profit per hour. So the next one is Cheetah HC72M. It costs 10,000 naira and you are earning 12 naira 3 kobo 30 kobo per hour. And the next one is Tiger by Fisher. You are earning 36 naira. It costs 30,000 naira. The next one is Tiger Pro 72HC by Fisher. It costs 200,000 and you are earning 285 naira per hour. And the next one is Tiger Pro 72HC Monofacia. It costs 500,000 and you are earning 7 per hour. So let's assume you decided to go for that of Tiger Pro 72HC, which costs 500,000 naira, and you'll be earning 772 naira in 1 hour. So let's do the calculation. 772 naira, 772 times 24 hours. That is 18,528 multiplied by 30 days times 30 days. That is, you are making 555 naira 840 kobo. Sorry, 555,840 naira in a month. So you have already made your capital and some profit, and this continue for a year. All right. So the next thing for you to do after you've decided to go for any of these packages is that you need to come to me here. You need to come down to me here. You click on me. All right. So when you click on me, then you need to click on my wallet so that you can recharge. Then you click on recharge. So I want to show you how to recharge now. So you select the packages. For instance, I want to choose 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. So I need to click on recharge. Recharge. Okay. So I will be directed to the payment gateway where I will make my payment, and it's going to reflect in my account. Okay. So the name of the account is Oko Technology Limited, Bank Wema Bank, account number 719. So let me copy this so that I can make transfer with my mobile banking app. So copied 10,000 naira. So let me quickly do the transaction now. Right now, the payment has been made, and the recharge of 10,000 naira, it has dropped into my account here. As you can see, top up 10,000 naira, it has arrived. All right, so the next thing for you to do now, okay, the next thing that I'll be doing right now is that I will need to purchase a package. So I'm clicking directly to the purchase all here. I'm going to the purchase all, and I am doing that of 10,000 naira. This is it here. 10,000, and that is Cheetah HC72M. And in this my account, I will be making 12 naira 330 kobo in every hour. So I need to click on buy, consent to purchase agreement, confirm the purchase, confirm, purchase succeeded. Okay, purchase succeeded. So I'll be making 12 naira 3 kobo 30 kobo on. So that is how it goes. So I will need to be coming here every hour to claim what I have been earning, to claim them one after the other. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any question concerning this video, or maybe there's something that you just want to add to it, sorry for maybe there's something that is not very clear to you, just feel free to browse to check the WhatsApp contacts in the description box of this video. You can also let me know your view through the comments box also. I'm going to reply your messages, your questions as soon as possible. All right, this is where I'm going to stop for today. Thanks so much for watching this video once again. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and share with your friends and family. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all, and bye for now.